Okay, now we will install the laser shape system. First step, we should install the shell to the laser light. And use the screw and the tools to tie it. And next step, we should install this part to the machine from the top to the bottom and use tool to tie 2 screws in the bottom. Tie it. Okay, next step, we should remove this sheet. Please press first and then remove. Okay, and then tighten this cable to the correct position. You can adjust by yourself. Please make it tighten. And last step, we should install well this part to the machine. If you want to remove this part, we should press the silver button and then take out. It's okay. Okay, now we enter into the operation screen. This is the intensity adjustment. There are 3 levels for option. And here is the speed. You can adjust also 3 levels. And here is the treatment time for adjustment. Normally for one treatment, it is 45 minutes to 50 minutes. It's okay. And here is the light for option. You can choose the light by yourself. And after setting everything, press ready button is okay. Then the machine is starting to work. Okay, after setting all these parameters on the screen, and next step, we should adjust the light. This light to the treatment part according to your requirement, and now we will start the treatment.